Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shaqib Haiman, and today we are going to talk about Chapter 2 Form 5, which is Nutrition and Food Technology. The first subtopic is Balanced Diet and Calorific Value. So, food calorific value. What is calorific value? Calorific value is energy that is released when every 1 gram of food is completely oxidized. Next, Bohm calorimeter is used to calculate calorific value, such as 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joules and 1 kilocalories equals to 4,200 joules. So, this is the calculation that you can use for Bohm calorimeter. Next one is result of wrongly calorie intake. The first is you can get obesity. Obesity is taking high calorie food in long-term periods of time. Other effect that you can have if you have obesity is diabetes mellitus, arteriosclerosis, and high blood pressure. The next one is arteriosclerosis is cholesterol deposition on the artery wall. You can also get high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke if you have arteriosclerosis. Next one is high blood pressure. High blood pressure is consuming food with high salt content over long periods of time. So you can get risk of heart disease and stroke. Next, you can get anorexia nervosa. Individuals' refusal to eat due to worries of gaining weight. It can cause malnutrition. Next is diabetes mellitus. Is consuming food and drinks high in sugar over long periods of time. The effects is vision, kidney, and the various system. Next is slow recovery wounds. So we are going to next. Eating pattern and effect on health. If you eat excessive sugar, you can get obesity, tooth decay, and diabetes mellitus. Next is absence of beneficial nutrients. The effects is malnutrition. Next is excessive salt. You can get high blood pressure, heart disease, and damage to kidneys. Next, artificial coloring and sweetness. You can get cancer, infertility, diabetes mellitus, damage to liver and kidneys. Last one is caffeine in carbonated drinks. You can get insomnia, anxiety, and addiction. For the next subtopic is nutrient requirements in plants. Macronutrients and its function. The function of nitrogen is synthesis protein, chlorophyll, enzyme, and nucleic acid, helps the growth of branches and leaf, increase the production of fruits and seeds. Next is potassium. It will synthesize protein, promotes plant cell division, strengthens resistance to infectious disease. Next one is phosphorus. Phosphorus used to synthesize protein and nucleic acid, promotes cell division for the production of flowers and fruit. Last one is calcium. Calcium synthesizes spindle fibers during cell division, helps growth of meristem. Next one is sulfur. Sulfur used to synthesize protein and chlorophyll, helps development of fruits, promotes plant cell division. Next one is oxygen, involved in plant cell respiration to produce energy. Next is magnesium, an important component in chlorophyll. Next is carbon hydrogen, build sugar or starch during photosynthesis and build glucose. Next is macronutrients and its function. Boron is used to synthesize chlorophyll and cell wall, helps the formation of fruits and seeds. Iron helps growth of young tree parts, helps cell respiration. Copper, involved in photosynthesis and respiration. Zinc, helps synthesis of protein and formation of chlorophyll, helps the formation of leaves. Molybdenum, synthesize protein, helps the growth of plants. Manganese is involved in photosynthesis and respiration, helps formation of amino acid. Next is effects of nutrients. The next is effects of nutrients deficiency in plant growth. First, you can get a healthy plant. Normal plant growth, strong stem, leaves at the top are small and light green, leaves at the bottom are bigger and dark green. The production of flowers and fruit is normal, the growth root is normal. Plant with nitrogen deficiency. Stunned plant growth, weak stem, leaves at the top are smaller and fall easily, leaves at the bottom are pale or yellow, which is chlorosis. The production of flowers and its fruits is stunned. The growth of fruit is normal. Next, plant with phosphorus deficiency. Stunned plant growth, slow to grow and mature, weak stem, leaf at the top are smaller and purplish, leaf at the bottom are bluish green, curled and with brown edge. The production of flowers and fruit stop. The growth and roots different. Plant with potassium deficiency. Stunned plant growth dies before reaching maturity. Weak stem, leaves at the top has brown spots, curl end and chlorosis. Leaves at the bottom wilt and have dead tissues around the edges. The production of flowers is reduced and the production of fruit stops. The growth of fruit is reduced. So for the next subtopic is nitrogen cycle. First, we are going to look at process that add nitrate ions into the soil. Firstly, nitrogen in the atmosphere is turned into nitrate in the soil to plant protein, animal protein, ammonium compound, and nitrate. Importance of nitrogen cycle. Maintaining nitrogen content in the air, maintaining fertility of soil and increasing productivity of the crops. Maintaining a continuous supply of plant proteins and animal proteins. Reducing environmental pollution. Next is food production technology. Ways to increase the quality and quantity of national food production. Use of quality breeds, use of modern technology, education and guidance for farmers, research and development, optimum use of land and water resources, efficient land management. Next is food processing technology. The first one, technology is cooking. The method is food is processed by heating food using bleaching, frying, grilling, smoking, braising, stir frying, baking and steaming. This is the food example. As we can see, chicken curry. So the next technology is fermentation. The breakdown of complex substances into simpler substances that through bacteria, yeast or other useful microorganisms. The example is soy sauce, kimchi, tempeh. Next is dehydration and drying. Water is removed from food through dehydration and evaporation by drying under the sun using flame or smoke in the oven. The food example is dried shrimp, dried squid, dried fish. Next is pasteurization. The liquid is heated to a temperature below its boiling point to kill pathogen and then cool quickly. Sample is milk, dairy products, and fruit juice. Next, we are going to talk about health foods and health supplement. Health foods is natural food substances in a normal diet that maintain health and do not contain chemical substances. Health supplements. Nutrients taken in the form of capsule, pill, liquid and powder in predetermined doses. National Food Safety Policy. Enforces by Food Safety and Quality Division Ministry of Health. This policy is aimed to protecting the public from risk of consuming food drinks which endanger the health, fake health food and health supplements. Next one is the Drug Control Authority, DCA, is entrusted to register and monitor health supplements and traditional medicine before being marketed. The Malaysian government monitors food quality through the Food Act 1983, food regulation. I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next content.